I've spent the last month turning my kitchen into a literal dairy bar to find the best soft-serve ice cream machine for home use. Honestly, most soft-serve makers just give you soup or rock-hard blocks. I bought the 5 most popular models, made way too many sundaes, and figured out which ones actually deliver that nostalgic swirl. Product number 1, Ninja Creami Scoop and Swirl. When I first pulled this out of the box, it felt way more substantial than the older Creami models. It's got this new soft serve handle on the side that makes you feel like you're working at a real ice cream shop. The build is solid, and the Creamify tech is actually impressive. It doesn't just stir the base, it shaved my frozen pint into a texture that was incredibly smooth. During my testing, the Swirl program was the standout. I froze a high-protein vanilla base, and the machine handled it without struggling or making that scary grinding noise some cheaper motors make. I love that I could control the speed of the dispense with the handle. It makes getting that perfect cone shape pretty easy once you get the hang of it. If you're into the creamy fit lifestyle or want to turn literally anything, even canned fruit, into soft serve, this is the most versatile pick. It's also a breeze to clean since the pints and paddles can just go in the dishwasher. If you want total control over ingredients like dairy-free or low-sugar options, but still want that authentic swirl experience, this is the one I'd keep on my counter. It's a bit noisy, but the results are worth the volume.
Product number 2, Whynter Ice Cream Maker. The first thing I noticed about the Whynter is the weight. It's a beast, mostly because it has a built-in compressor. This is a huge deal because I didn't have to remember to freeze a bowl 24 hours in advance. I just plugged it in, poured in my mix, and started churning. The stainless steel finish looks high-end, and the upright design saves a surprising amount of counter space compared to the wider models. In terms of performance, it churned out 2.1 quarts of gelato in about 40 minutes. Because it stays cold on its own, I was able to make a second batch immediately after the first, something you just can't do with the freezer bowl style machines. The LCD timer is simple to use, and I really appreciated the extended cooling function. I got distracted by a phone call, and the machine kept my ice cream from melting into a puddle for another 10 minutes. While it doesn't have a dispenser handle like a traditional soft-serve machine, the texture it produces is so consistent that it's easy to scoop. If you're a serious hobbyist who wants to make large batches back-to-back without the pre-freeze headache, this is definitely the heavy-duty choice for your kitchen.
Product number 3, Cuisinart Mix It In. This Cuisinart looks exactly like the machines you see at a self-serve buffet. It's tall, white, and has those 3 distinct levers on the side for toppings. When I set it up, I noticed it's mostly plastic, but it feels sturdy enough for family use. The double insulated bowl is what does the heavy lifting here, so you do have to remember to keep that bowl in the freezer overnight before you get a craving. The performance is where the fun starts. It took about 20 minutes to get the mix to a soft serve consistency. The coolest part is the mix-in system. I loaded the side containers with sprinkles and chocolate chips, and as I pulled the handle to dispense the ice cream, I flipped the levers to drop the toppings right into the flow. It even has a keep warm cup for fudge or caramel. I will say you have to be careful with the size of your mix-ins. If they're too big, they'll jam the chute. If you have kids or throw a lot of birthday parties, this machine is a total hit because of the interactive pull-the-lever experience. It's straightforward, doesn't use salt or ice, and gives you that classic soft-serve swirl every time.
Product number 4, Cuisinart Mix It In. Now, this is technically the same internal Mix It In tech as the white model, but I had to try the mint green version because, honestly, it looks way cooler on the counter. It has that retro 1950s diner vibe that actually makes you want to leave it out instead of hiding it in a pantry. The build quality is identical. It's lightweight but holds 1.5 quarts, which was plenty for my family of 4. Testing this one reminded me why the Mix It In series is so popular. The cone holder on the side is a small detail, but it's so convenient to have everything in one spot. I tried making a dairy-free sorbet in this one, and the texture was spot on. Not icy, just smooth.
The dispensing handle feels responsive, and the drip tray is easy to slide out when things get a little messy, and they will get messy. It's the same 3-year warranty and same 20-minute turnaround time as the white version. If you're looking for a machine that doubles as a kitchen decor while providing a fun, hands-on experience for making frozen yogurt or sorbet, the mint green Cuisinart is the stylish way to go. It's basically the party machine of the bunch.
Product number 5. Iceman by Chefman. The Iceman Trio is a different kind of animal. Like the Whynter, it has a built-in compressor, so there's no pre-freezing. It's compact and has a sleek digital display with 3 presets: ice cream, frozen yogurt, and Italian ice. When I picked it up, I liked that it felt modern and wasn't overly bulky. It comes with 2 stainless steel pint inserts, which is great because I could swap flavors quickly. In my tests, it took about an hour to get a pint of frozen yogurt ready. I really liked the Easy View lid. I'm the type of person who likes to watch the process to make sure it's thickening up correctly. The automatic cooling function is a lifesaver. Once it's done churning, it keeps the treat cold so you don't have to rush to move it to the freezer. I also scanned the QR code for their recipes and tried a vegan coconut milk base that turned out surprisingly creamy. It's only 100 watts, so it's not a power hog, and the safety features feel reliable. If you live in a smaller apartment or only want to make a pint at a time without the hassle of freezing bowls, this is the most convenient set-it-and-forget-it model.